Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice auger motor support in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 1/4" nut driver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer door and pull out the ice bucket. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the ice maker wire harness. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the left side mounting screw securing the auger motor. Lift the auger motor up to detach. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the wire harness so you can fully remove the motor. Next, use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the screw securing the auger motor cover. Now pry open the tabs to release the cover. Remove the solenoid plunger. Use one of the nut drivers to help loosen the drive cam by rotating it clockwise, then fully unthread the cam. Now use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the 5 screws securing the auger motor and solenoid. Use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to detach the wire harness connector from the old support. To install the new ice auger motor support, position it over the motor shaft and thread the 3 screws to secure the support to the motor. Snap the wire harness connector into place. Position the solenoid and thread the 2 screws to secure. Thread the drive cam onto the motor shaft counterclockwise and tighten. Reposition the insulation, if necessary, and reinsert the plunger into the solenoid. Realign the cover and snap it into place. Then rethread the screw. Reinstall the auger motor assembly by first reconnecting the wire harness. Align the right side of the support in the right bracket, then hook the left side onto the left bracket. Thread the screw to secure. Reconnect the ice maker wire harness. Reinstall the ice bucket. Plug the appliance's power cord back in. and the refrigerator should be ready for use.